a mistake.
That's my bias, you know. I just love him. I don't wanna cry.
Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat bertemu kembali lagi di sini bersama saya di channel The Secret Studio. Apa kabar semuanya? Semoga semuanya selalu baik-baik saja dan selalu dalam lindungan Tuhan Yang Maha Esa. Amin amin ya rabbal alamin. Oke guys, kali ini ada lagi yang terbaru. Dua ahli vokal sekaligus fans berat Jamie Miller sampai terpesona dan shock ketika melihat dan mendengar teknik skill dan suara Putri Ariani. Wow, itu benar-benar sangat luar biasa ya guys. Oke, daripada kita penasaran pengen tahu seperti apa videonya dan pengen tahu seperti apa reaksi sang ahli vokal ini, mari kita langsung gas ke videonya.
Singers, it's Laura with Vox Tape Studios, and welcome to another Vocal Coach Reacts video.
Hello everybody and welcome back to this channel. I've missed you so much. I just came back from Dubai and this dropped when I was actually coming back on my last day. So even though I'm really tired, I don't know if you can tell by my face. If you do, I'm really sorry about that. But I really wanted to watch this video with you.
Alright, without further ado, let's jump right in.
Oke, kita langsung gas.
I remember the day, even wrote down a date that I felt for you. And now it's crossed out in red, but I still can't forget if I wanted to. But overall, like here in the beginning, her control is amazing. Like she's singing with such little air and I remember the day, even wrote down a date that I felt for you. And now it's crossed out in red, but I still can't forget if I wanted to.
Such an incredible singer, and I'm not saying this because he's singing with style. I generally think that his voice is literally incredible and he always gets me emotional, like always. So shout out to Jamie.
Yeah.
Drives me insane, think I'm hearing your name everywhere I go, but it's all in my head. It's just all in my head. It's so much more difficult to control than belting. So my gosh, that she sounds so beautiful. But it's all in my head. It's just all in my head.
Beliau ini sepertinya baper ya. Sepertinya matanya mulai berkaca-kaca beliau ini.
It's a mistake, drink my troubles away, one more glass of champagne and you know.
Wow. The thing is that I don't really want to sound biased and I don't know, boring. I don't know how to explain this.
I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect, and you're the first to say you want the best thing. But now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. It's your perfect. My best was just fine. I would try to be great for you. Whoa, like that last note right there sounded so perfect. I'm like, there's autotune on there. Like that was so, there's not, okay? I'm not saying that there is. Don't come after me for that. I know there's not, but man, that note was so perfect. Like a princess. Like it's just so delicate. It's so controlled and so perfect. So pretty. I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect, and you're the first to say you want the best thing. But now I know a perfect way
Stop everything.
Oh.
It's so cute.
But you won't see me break, call you up in 3 days, or send you
Beliau ini benar-benar menangis
it's
ya,
a
guys.
mistake. Drink my troubles away, one more glass of champagne, and you know I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect, and you're the first to say you want the best thing.
Wait, I'm sorry. I know I'm stopping in the middle of the phrase,
Okay.
but the like a bridge, the way she just, I can't even speak right now. I don't know what's happening, but the way she just sung this, like she started out softly and crescendoed into that like so fast.
Yeah.
I have to back this up here just a little bit. Like, oh my God. That is like pure vocal control.
And you're the first to say you want the best thing, but now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. It's your perfect.
And I really love how yet my style, like you can tell.
But now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. It's your perfect. My best was just fine. I would try how I tried to be great for you.
Again, like this is not, like she's not just a great singer, she's just like
Yeah.
an amazing singer because of the kind of control she has. Like, yes, a great singer can hit all the notes and can sing softly and belt, but this is next level. Like, this is incredible vocal control.
But you won't see me break, call you up in 3 days, or send you bouquets saying it's a
Sepertinya
mistake.
Putri. Oke.
That's my bias, you know. I just love him. I don't wanna cry. And no, what can I say? I just love him.
Sepertinya Putri Ariani ini bukan hanya pandai bernyanyi ya, tapi pandai merebut hati seseorang ya.
Send you bouquets saying it's a mistake. Drink my troubles away, one more glass of champagne, and you know.
But every time I hear him singing, I get shocked by how effortlessly he sings everything.
Glass of champagne, and you know I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect, and you're the first to say you want the best thing. But now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello.
The biggest thing that I feel like even a beginner singer can take away from this, you're not going to sound like her tomorrow, okay, I'm sorry. But what everyone of any skill level can take away from this is you gotta open your mouth. Like, can you, or like, did you see how much she opened her mouth all the time? Like, whenever she was singing like high belt notes, her mouth was just like open all the way to give herself all of that space, and you guys don't understand.
Way to let you go, give my last hello, hope it's worth it. Is you perfect?
Now every time I do a reaction to Stell, I feel like me commenting his performance is completely useless. Because his voice just speaks for himself, you know. There is no comment needed. And an artist with like a giant A, like huge A. And I love Stell. He is such an incredible singer as well. Thank you so much and see you in my next one. Bye!
Oke, ya, saya tidak mengerti dengan reaktor yang satu ini yang menggunakan bando itu ya. Beliau mengatakan saya tidak perlu berkomentar karena Putri Ariani menyanyi hanya untuk dirinya sendiri. Saya tidak mengerti apa yang dimaksudnya. Apa mungkin maksud beliau ini, beliau tidak perlu berkomentar dan beliau tidak perlu berkata apa-apa lagi karena beliau sudah tahu bahwa pada diri Putri Ariani sudah terdapat bakat yang sangat istimewa dan sangat luar biasa. Mungkin maksudnya seperti itu. Ya, dan mungkin cukup sekian dulu video saya kali ini. Kita akan coba sambung kembali di lain waktu dan di video saya yang selanjutnya. Untuk itu saya sudahi dulu. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.